Hello and welcome to All Taste German. Today I will show you how easy it is to cook a traditional German sauerkraut side. This juicy dish is the perfect addition to a pork shank, rouladen or other meat dishes. Okay, let's get started. Cut the bacon and the onion into small cubes and add everything to a medium-sized pot. Add the garlic paste and the butter to the pot and cook over medium heat for about 5 minutes. Then add the spices and the sugar and let cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Last, you will add the beef broth. Now bring it to a boil and then add the sauerkraut. Let it simmer for about 1 hour. You can prepare sauerkraut the day before. It is one of the dishes that tastes just as good or even better the next day. Guten Appetit!